Hello again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John, the Iceman, Doe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're delving into an important topic: how to outwit a burglar. In this digital age, your safety matters more than ever, and it's crucial to be aware and prepared. Our first point: make your home seem less attractive to burglars. This involves simple things like keeping your front yard well lit, maintaining the appearance that someone's home, and most importantly, locking all doors and windows. Burglars often look for easy entry points. To outsmart them, strengthen your home's defenses. Reinforce doors with deadbolt locks, upgrade windows with security glass, and don't forget the garage. It's often a neglected point of entry. Investing in a reliable home security system can act as a great deterrent. Security cameras, alarm systems, and smart locks can make your home less attractive to potential intruders. Need help with one? Let us know. In today's digital world, oversharing online can invite trouble. Avoid posting about vacations or expensive new purchases in real time. This information can signal to burglars that your home is empty and vulnerable. Good relationships with your neighbors can be a powerful security tool. They can watch your home when you're away, collect mail or packages, and report any suspicious activity. If, unfortunately, a burglar does break into your home, make sure your valuables are well secured. Safes, lockboxes, and creative hiding spots can make it harder for a burglar to walk away with your precious belongings. If you ever come face to face with a burglar, remember, your safety is the priority. Stay calm, don't confront them, and call the authorities as soon as it's safe to do so. Remember, the best way to outwit a burglar is to be proactive about your home's security. Use the strategies we've discussed, stay alert, and prioritize your safety above all else. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share. https://silentsecurity.net